Good day and welcome to the TaskCompleted.com. Have you neither have time or inspiration to complete your essay or research paper stuck with approaching deadlines? To take it easy, TaskCompleted.com is happy to present the most trustworthy and reliable writing and editing service that can handle literally any task. We provide clients with 100% original plagiarism-free work, as we provide clients Turnitin Plagiarism Report. We guarantee timely delivery and top-quality papers. We offer unlimited free revisions and a 100% money-back guarantee. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Fill out the order form on our website. Be sure to put detailed descriptions and relevant files, then set the deadline. Remember. Step 2. Register with the same mail, which you filled the quote. Step 3. We recommend you place the order as soon as possible to make a payment through our secure online payment. We offer a variety of payment options such as PayPal and credit cards. Step 4. Our experts begin working on your tasks as soon as we confirm your order details. As always, we will assign your order to highly qualified experts in the discipline of your choice. Step 5. When our experts completed your task, our team performs quality control as a final check for originality. There will also be done plagiarism report through Turnitin. Step 6. We send you the final output as soon as it's completed. It will be sent directly to your mailbox. Try our service with a 25% off with OMPX058 for each time using it. Contact our 247 support team and ask any questions and concerns you have.